I just found the easiest way to make viral short videos with no editing or camera work needed. This tool instantly turns a keyword or image into a scroll-stopping video in just 60 seconds flat. You can make animal clips, product promos, memes, catalog demos, and more without any tech skills. It gives lifelike AI voices in 80+ languages, captions, music, avatars, and stylish cinematic templates. You don't need to show your face, write scripts, or hire editors. Everything is automatic and fast. It even allows you to earn by posting videos or selling them to coaches, brands, or affiliates. The one-time price is tiny compared to monthly fees. Plus, it includes a commercial license for business. You can beat the editing hassle, post fast, and start earning with just a few clicks from home. Don't miss the chance to get into short video creation with the smart, affordable tool everyone is using. Click the link in the description to discover more and start making scroll-stopping videos today.